Very good morning to aspirants. In this particular session, we'll be giving special emphasis to science and technology. The most important part of science and technology is this is one topic as like environment ecology. We don't have a conventional degree course called science and technology. We don't have a conventional course called environment and ecology. In geography PG, we all study environment ecology as a paper, and environment ecology in detail we discuss, but there we discuss the fundamentals, ecology and its term, biotop, biome, like that. Here in environment ecology, we can't see a BSc in environment ecology or a MSc in environment ecology, current affairs like. As like that, when it comes to science and technology, there is no specialized course called the BSc Science and Technology. So what I'm trying to tell in science and technology, all are equally handicapped. All are equally handicapped in science and technology. All are equally handicapped means all will get the right advantage if you're having the right approach. And don't read the basic fundamental static books alone. You have to read that. You have to read NCERT. There is no compromise. Good example I can see in 2020, reading NCERT is a must. In connection with science also, 8th, 9th, 10th NCERT clarity is highly required, because 1 to 2 question you can expect right from the fundamentals. But 90% or 80 to 90% of the questions comes from current applications. And 2020 is absolutely interesting. It's a unique question paper. In science and technology, always I'll think how beautifully they frame questions from the current trend of science and technology. And 2018-19 in the same manner. So when you look into the topics itself, you will feel that. And when you get into the question also, you can feel that. And moreover, I can give you one example before getting to the discussion. When you get into the 2020, there was a question from drones. N number of articles came related to drones in newspaper. More than that, there was lot of videos related to drones, lot of comics related to drones, COVID scenario, drones discussions were there. People are running, drones are coming, and the police is using drones like that. UPSC asked a very standard question related to drones. Look the relation. But in newspaper, there was clear article, what all are the possibilities of drones, what all are the laws related to drones. Drones, I hope. Camera going above and looking what you're doing. In the COVID scenario, it was very prominent. So 2020, they asked question in that particular manner. They related with the newspaper in a high profile manner. Let's come to the discussion of 2017. There were only 5 topics. And this 5 topics in some occasions is misguiding those who are into current affairs question paper 1 2017. They'll read and they neglect science and technology. They'll tell, no, not that much of question. I'm not into science and technology. In some years, UPSC reduced the number, but you can see in the coming years, you can see good number of questions. You can expect 10 to 15 questions every year. In some years, it may be going down. So there were questions related to 2017. The first question was algae-based biofuel. Second question was related to the terms event horizon, singularity, string theory, and standard model. Third one is organic light-emitting diodes. Fourth one is somatic cells nuclear transfer technology. And fifth one is Evo laser interferometer space antenna. This year it was a bit easy paper because algae-based biofuel, terms event horizon, singularity, string theory, and standard model, organic light emitting diodes, that is our OLEDs, somatic cell nuclear transfer technology, Evo laser interferometer space antenna. But in our future classes, we'll discuss one thing, that is questions were not that easy. Topics were simple, but when they framed the questions were having very high standard. 2018, there are 13 questions. First was related to Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. Everybody was expecting that year right from IRNSS. Prediction or predictions of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, often discussed in media. Just year back, it was event horizon, singularity, string theory. 2018, it was prediction or predictions of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, often discussed in media. Belly-2 experiment, blockchain technology, CRI, SPR, Cas9, Internet of Things, solar power production in India, nuclear suppliers group, GPS technology, the term WannaCry, Petya, Eternal Blue, very common, 3D printing application, India's satellite launch vehicle PSLV and GSLV, additional protocol with the International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA, Digital India plan of the Government of India, terminal high altitude area defense THAAD. So these were the questions UPSC asked in 2018. IRNSS, prediction of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, often discussed in India. CRI, SPR, CAS9, everybody was expecting in 2018 UPSC asked, but the question is having good standard. Internet of Things, solar power production in India, NSG, GPS, WannaCry, Petya, Eternal Blue, 3D printing, PSLV and GSLV, IAEA, THAAD, and Digital India. When it comes to 2019, look, 15 questions. Right from 15 topics, LTE and voice over long-term evolution, that is long-term evolution and volt. They asked a question because everybody is very familiar with a mobile phone and we see this LTE over the top. So LTE and volt, good standard question they asked. Indian Patent Act they asked. Augmented reality and virtual reality, word Denisovan, artificial functional DNA, digital signature, wearable technology, RNA interface, RNAi technology, merger of giant black holes, multi-drug resistance in microbial pathogens in India, CAS9 protein, it repeated. Because you can see CAS9 here in 2018, but questions character is absolutely different. CAS9 protein, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV, pyrolysis and plasma gasification, satellite images, remote sensing data, deposits of methane hydrate. These were the topics of 2019. When it comes to 2020, it's more fresh because science and technology obviously should be. The first question was related to carbon nanotubes. Second, activities which can be successfully carried out using drones. Activities which can be successfully carried out using drones. How beautifully they are related with the current COVID scenario in science and technology. Third one, Voyager 2, New Horizon, LISA Pathfinder, Evolve LISA. Not a current affair, a GK fundamental. Those who having clear GK, they can come to it. Voyager 2, New Horizon or New Horizons, LISA Pathfinder, Evolve LISA. Genetic engineering related to genome, pluripotent stem cells, and embryo. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccines in India. Vaccines were in discussion, so pneumococcal conjugate vaccines in India. The term public key infrastructure, difference between plant cells and animal cells. This is what I told. You had to read NCERT because you can expect one question. Difference between plant cells and animal cell. 8 reasons or factors for exposure to benzene pollution. Benzene pollution is that question. It's something interesting because in COVID scenario, pollution as such is reducing. There were discussions. Delhi case were there in discussion. Metropolitan discussions were there. In that they conveyed which all are the significant pollutants and what is happening because of the COVID scenario and lockdown. And UPSC related that. In human reproductive technology, pro-nuclear transfer technology. Pro-nuclear transfer technology is not current. It is there in the discussion before also. Artificial intelligence can effectively do which of the following? Clear practical application. Visible light communication technology, blockchain technology, and steel slag. Steel slag, blockchain technology, obviously current. Visible light communication technology, it was there in the discussion for the last 2-3 years. Let's come to the first discussion. With reference to the carbon nanotubes, consider the following statements. There are 4 statements. They can be used as carriers of drugs and antigen in the human body. They can be made into artificial blood capillaries for an injured part of human body. They can be used in biochemical sensors. Carbon nanotubes are biodegradable. And in that, the first, second, third, and fourth statement, all statements are right. And when you look into the newspapers of 2019, sensitive sensor detect drug-resistant leukemia in that highly sensitive carbon nanotubes based sensor. The discussion was related to highly sensitive carbon nanotubes. So what is the duty of an aspirant? Study about the fundamentals of carbon nanotubes. You should know the current affair. You should know about the current affairs in detail related to the fundamentals. Yesterday I told you should have complete idea about the trend of elephants in Kerala. At the same time, the trends of elephants in Karnataka, that is current affair. At the same time, you should have an idea about the fundamentals of elephants. Who is the leader of an elephant group? What is their gestation period? And the related you have to. So in the same manner, when you listen to read to carbon nanotubes, you have to understand. And carbon nanotubes could revolutionize lithium-ion batteries, says researchers again, 7th May 2018. So from 18, 19, you can see good number of articles related to carbon nanotubes. Zero waste approach, create carbon nanotubes with old newspapers. India Today, there was an article related to carbon nanotubes. Consider the following activities: spraying pesticides on a crop field, inspecting the craters of an active volcano, collecting the breath sample from spouting whales for a DNA analysis. At the present level of technology, which of the above activity can be successfully carried out using drones? A simple question. They gave 3 activities and they told out of these 3, which all are the activities we can test with the help of drones. Now we know what is drones and what is the use of drones. So we can do all these 3 with drones in pesticides, spraying pesticides on a crop field and all. Now, back to the discussion. From sanitizing containment zone and fighting locusts to delivering foods, here shows drones are springing into action. There was a 5th August 2020, there was an article by Priyadarshini telling the entire possibilities of drones. From sanitizing containment zones and fighting locusts to delivering food, here how drones are springing into action. So that clarity should be there in your mind, and that clarity UPSC has it is checked. Now, draft rules prohibit use of drones for delivery. On 6th June 2020, there was a discussion. Draft rules prohibit use of drones for delivery. So again, drones into national discussion. UPSC asked a question from drones. Third one is a fundamental question from GK Science and Technology. We can tell the experiment will employ a trio of spacecraft flying in formation in the shape of an equilateral triangle that has sides 1 million kilometers long with lasers shining between the craft. The experiment in the question refers to. Before the experiment is the question is not related to Voyager, it is not related to New Horizons, it is not related to LISA Pathfinder, it is related to Evolve-LISA. And Evolve-LISA as such as there in the discussion, the laser interferometer space antenna were there in the discussion for a long time. LISA Pathfinder result boost plan for future dictators. You can see the figure in the slide. It was there from 2016 onwards. This discussion was there. So just checking how far you're clear about the old trend, and LISA Pathfinder is still in discussion. The next question was related to genetic engineering. Genetic changes can be introduced in the cells that produce eggs or sperms of a prospective parent. A person's genome can be edited before birth at the early embryonic stage. Human-induced pluripotent stem cell can be injected into the embryo of a pig. So regarding the 3 parents, baby, and all, there were discussion. UPSC related with that. All the 3 statements are right. At the same time, you can see genome sequencing to map population diversity by Jacob Koshy, and genome sequencing, all the discussions of genomes you can see from the side of CSIR. Human identity through genome, it was a significant discussion. We have also involved in genome sequencing of COVID virus, CDFD director, 29th August 2019, there was human identity through genome. So that is why UPSC asked. 5th question is related to current, a direct current question. What is the importance of using pneumococcal conjugate vaccine in India? There were 3 options, and you know the first and second is right. From the options, you can see these vaccines are effectively against pneumonia as well as meningitis and sepsis. Depends on antibiotics that are not effective against drug-resistant bacteria can be reduced. First statement and the second statement is absolutely right. This vaccine have no side effect and cause no allergic reaction. The third statement is wrong. So here, practical application, if anybody is telling the vaccine have no side effect, you can't tell. You can tell 99.9%. You can't tell. So elimination with basic intelligence, if you look and 3 is wrong, you can cut D and C, and you can come to B very easily with your basic capacity. Now, pneumococcal vaccine were there in the news right from the 4th January of 2020 onwards. WHO pre-qualifies serum's low-cost pneumococcal vaccine. That was the discussion of 4th January 2020. So it is a current discussion. And there were the first indigenous vaccine for infant pneumonia approved. There were discussions of related to. Next question, in India, the term public key infrastructure. Public key infrastructure is used in the context of, if you go for a wild guess in this, you absolutely go wrong. Public key infrastructure is used in the context of digital security infrastructure, food security infrastructure, healthcare and education infrastructure, telecommunication and transport infrastructure. Answer is digital security infrastructure. And PKI were there in discussion from 2016 onwards. PKI, I hope it's clear. RBI for two-stage verification for online transaction from 31st May 2016, you can see. And in that discussion itself, you can see RBI report on enabling public key infrastructure in payment system application. It's a direct question. From that, if you have a basic understanding about digital security, you come across with this, or if you read newspapers, the RBI strict norms in connection with digital security, you can come across with customers should be given option to choose from different method of authentication. That is the news which came in newspaper, and in that enabling public key infrastructure were there in discussion. And seventh question is a beauty. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the general difference between plant cell and animal cell? You feel as like you are in 9th standard. Plant cell have cellulose cells, cell walls, while animal cells do not. Plant cell do not have plasma membrane like animal cells which do. Mature plant cell have one large vacuole, while animal cell have many small vacuoles. It's nostalgia. When you read this, you feel as like you go back to. And the second one is wrong. Plant cell do not have plasma membrane, unlike animal cells is wrong. First and third statement is right. And when you read this plants and animal cell, the same day replica of 9th standard plant cell and animal cell you start to read, and the same thing is repeated here. Reading in CRT is the right way to. Next is, which of the following are the reason or factors for exposure to benzene pollution? Automobile exhaust, tobacco smoke, wood burning, using varnished wooden furniture, using product made of polyurethane, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are causes benzene pollution. And benzene is a byproduct of the combustion of tobacco in cigarette. We know. In related to that, there were a lot of discussion. It's an area to discuss in detail how all this caused benzene pollution. But I can relate Delhi pollution half during the first phase of lockdown. There was a discussion. In that benzene discussion came. Another discussion very recently, another news came, that is cut benzene emission at fuel outlets, says committee. So benzene were there in the discussion. So how they related? So you should have an idea what is benzene, what is benzene emission, and what all are the manner in which benzene emission happens. Benzene emissions exclusively were not there in the discussion, but benzene emission and its related discussion, especially related to fuel outlets, were there. Cut benzene emission at fuel outlets. So it's duty of an aspirant to understand what is benzene pollution, how all or what are the ways in which benzene pollution happens. And that was the question. Which of the following are the reason or factors for ensure to benzene pollution? Then, in the context of the recent advances in human reproductive technology, pro-nuclear transfer technology is useful. So pro-nuclear transfer technology, out of this for prevention of mitochondrial disease in offspring, pro-nuclear transfer technology were not there in discussion of 2019-20 as a current. You can't see very big articles and all, but it was there in the discussion related to mitochondrial diseases. There was a article, development of mitochondrial replacement therapy, a review, an article came, and related to that some discussions happened, and this was there in the newspaper. So this was there in the magazines, pro-nuclear transfer technology and all, prevention of mitochondrial diseases in offspring. Then with the present state of development, artificial intelligence can effectively do which of the following? One of the easy question. Bring down electricity consumption in industrial unit, create meaningful short stories and songs, disease diagnosis, text-to-speech conversation, wireless transmission of electrical energy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one of the easiest question I told. So artificial intelligence can do all 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There is nothing to convey about artificial intelligence to you. But artificial intelligence, the law and the future. You can see the figure. I hope it's clear. A robot is serving dishes, 11 June 2019. From there onwards, artificial intelligence is there in the discussion. From mains perspective also, it is very, very important. Rise of artificial intelligence economy. There was a discussion in 9th December 2020 in Hindu newspaper, that is rise of artificial intelligence economy. That is also important. So rise of artificial intelligence economy, that is important, means from mains perspective it is important. UPSC framed the question from artificial intelligence and it was an easy question. And there was a figure and all in Hindu newspaper in 2020. That is what happens when an artificial intelligence meets emotional intelligence. It was something interesting and the figure was a bit different. I didn't place that figure here. On 30th March, you can see that is what happens when artificial intelligence meets emotional intelligence. In artificial intelligence meet emotional intelligence, a good movie as such happened in India, and earlier also artificial intelligence meet emotional intelligence is a topic of curiosity. Anyway, so what I am trying to tell, artificial intelligence discussion were there in the limelight for the last couple of years. With reference to visible light communication technology, which of the following statement are correct? VLC were there in the discussion for a long time. And in that first, second, third, and fourth, in that second statement is wrong. VLC is known as long-range optical wireless communication. VLC uses electromagnetic spectrum wavelength at 375 to 780 is right. VLC can transmit large amount of data faster than Bluetooth is right. VLC has no electromagnetic interference is right. So 1, 3, and 4 is right, 2 is wrong. And here a person is having an idea. It is not long-range optical wireless communication. If you don't know anything about the wavelength and all, if you know 2 is wrong, with elimination technique, he can come to answer C, because A, 2 is there, you can cut that. B, 2 is there, you can cut that. D, 2 is there. If you know 2 is wrong, you can come to answer C. And in economic times, there were discussion what is visible light communication and its impact on retail sector. VLC were there in the discussion. And 12th question is related to blockchain technology. Blockchain technology, with reference to blockchain technology, consider the following statement. It's a public ledger that everyone can inspect, which no single use controls. The structure and design of blockchain is such that all the data in it are about cryptocurrency only. The application that depend on the basic feature of blockchain can be developed without anybody's permission. So 1 only, 1 and 2, 2 only, 1 and 3. And the second statement is wrong. It is a public ledger that everyone can inspect with no single use control. Everybody knows that is right. The application that depend on the basic feature of blockchain can be developed without anybody's permission. 1 and 3 is right. And the second statement, structure and design of blockchain is said that all the data in are about cryptocurrency only. That's wrong. Now, when you come to the blockchain discussion, you can see good number of articles related to blockchain and its database and all. That's in the slides. In the later discussion we'll do. In 2019, what are the advantages that blockchain offers? There were article. Mr. Jacob Koshi is one person who handled with all this in Hindu newspaper most of the time. And 21st July 2019, you can see what are the advantages that blockchain offers. And he explained all the advantages. What is blockchain? How does blockchain works and all? And here your understanding should be clear. Then you can answer it. What is blockchain technology? Now, the final question related to the science and technology was steel slag can be the material for which of the following: construction of base road, improvement of agriculture soil, production of cement, and 1, 2, and 3, all the steel slag. So related to steel slag and the possibility of steel slag, there were discussion in newspaper itself. In business standards, steel industry should learn using LD slag notes, Ministry of Steel. So discussion from the side of ministry itself related to steel slag is there, So that's why UPSC asked the question. So that's about science and technology. When it comes to science and technology, I hope it's clear. It's easy to score marks in science and technology, provided the root of science and technology study should be right. If you read just only the fundamental books and go for the exam, or if you just read the current affairs and mug up some aspect and go for the exam, you may not be. You should have the correct trend, like carbon nanotubes. They asked, what is it? What is the application of drones? They asked, what is your understanding of Evolisa? They asked, what is your understanding of genetic engineering? They asked 2 statements related to pneumococcal conjugate. They asked what public key infrastructure is related with. They asked a beautiful 3 statement related to plant cells and animal cells. They asked about benzene pollution and its factors. They asked what is pro-nuclear transfer technology? What is the application of artificial intelligence? What is visible light communication? They asked with 3 statements. What is blockchain technology? Again with 3 statements. What is TSLAG? Again in the same manner. If you look back to this, you can see other than one question, rest all are related to current. That is other than the plants and animal cell. And other than one question, all are related to current means it is not absolutely 2019 and 20. Some questions are much away from that. It is there in the discussion, but happened much before. Good example, you can tell evolved LISA, LISA. At the same time, you can tell visible light communication technology that has not happened just 1 year back. So that is what happened in connection with science and technology. So all aspirants, you keep one thing, science and technology is a very easy area, very interesting area. Keep your eye on science and technology. You can crack science and technology. All questions, that is the advantage in science and technology. If your track is right, all questions you read with clarity, you can solve it. Reading and understanding things in the right manner is the right key to unlock science and technology. Have a great time with science and technology. Keep reading it in a very systematic manner, and we will have more further discussion in our future sessions related to science and technology. Have a great time with science and technology. Keep going.